Good afternoon, children. Today we are going to revise the objective questions for the Earth in the solar system. The first one is the sun, the moon and all those objects shining in the night sky are called celestial bodies. What is celestial bodies? The sun, moon and those objects shining in the night sky are called celestial bodies. Then our solar system is a part of Milky Way called galaxy. Those who study these celestial bodies and their movements are called astronomers. Those who study the celestial bodies, moon, sun, other objects and their movements are called astronomers. And Jupiter, the largest gaseous planet, is composed of mainly of hydrogen and helium gases. What Jupiter, which gas it contains? It contains hydrogen and helium. Then the natural satellites are called moons. What the natural satellites are called? Called moon. Next we will go for the second Roman letter. Name the following. A cluster of millions of stars together known as galaxy. The stars that indicates the north direction is pole star. From that we can find the other direction. So the star that indicates the north direction is a pole star. The next one is the planet that is also known as the jewel of the solar system. It got another name, that is Saturn. Saturn got another name, the jewel of the solar system. Then the only natural satellite of the planet Earth, the moon. We have only natural satellite, moon. Then the comet that appears after every 76 years is known as Halley's comet. The comet that appears after every 76 years is Halley's comet. Now we will see the remaining part of the lesson, universe and comet. We are going to see about the two. One is comet and another one is universe. What is this comet, children? Comets are large solid pieces of ice, dust particles and gas. So comet is a large solid pieces of ice, dust particle and gas that revolves the space. That revolves in the space, that is called the comet. So how the comet will be? They are glowing celestial bodies. How the character is, children? They are glowing, shining. The comet is shining, that is shining celestial bodies. And they move round the sun. In a elliptical orbit. This is round and this shape is elliptical. So these comets, the center we have sun and this is a oval shape, that is a elliptical shape. So these comets, they revolve the sun, moves the sun in a elliptical orbit. This is a orbit. So they revolve in a elliptical orbits. And this comets, they have the head. They have a head called nucleus. Nucleus. They have a head called nucleus and long luminated tail, gas tail. They have a head called nucleus and long luminated gas tail. So, like it is like appears like this. So, this head always faces the sun. Head always faces the sun. It revolves around the sun like this. So, the head is always facing the sun. So, it is facing the sun. Then among this, the important comet is very important. Comet name is Halley's. What is that? Important comet is Halley's and it appears once in 76 years. When it will appear, children? It appears once in 76 years and it last appeared in 1986. This is about comet. Comet means what? It's a large solid pieces of ice, dust particles and gas and it revolves in a space and they are glowing, shining celestial bodies and they move around the sun in a elliptical orbit. And they have a head called nucleus and a long illuminated gas tail always faces the sun. And the most important the comet is Halley's and it appears once in a 76 years and last it appeared in 1986. Then we are going to see about the universe. Universe. What is universe, children? When you look sky from the vast expanse from here, we can see only a certain limit. We cannot see the full space. So, according to scientists, the space is limitless. Limitless. So, when you see the sky from here, you cannot see all of them. Only a certain limit we can see and scientists call this space as a limitless. And everything exists in the space. Everything that exists in the space is called universe. Everything that exists in this space, the space that is limitless, is called as universe. This universe includes billions of stars, planet and other celestial bodies. It includes billion of stars, planets and other celestial bodies. And this universe is appeared at least when by 150 billion years ago. So, when it came into exist or appeared at least by 150 billion years ago. This is about the universe, children. Universe is, according to scientists, is a space limitless and everything that exists in this space is called a universe. What are that includes? It includes the celestial bodies, and when it appeared, it believed to appear at least 150 billion years ago. Children, you go through this objectives, this one verse, that is your assignment today. Your assignment is revise the objectives. What is objectives? This one words. Fill up the blanks and name the following. You revised well. Thank you, children.